Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Brooke. I make coffee and other drinks and like some random videos. My channel's a little sporadic, but she's mine, so that's that. Today I am going to be telling you guys what we are giving away. It's really exciting. I think it's really cute. It's a glass pour over set, so if you guys wanted that to be like the giveaway, it is. I told you guys to comment what you guys wanted to like win for the giveaway, but nobody was really commenting. Like one person commented. So I was like, I'll just pick for you guys. It's fine. Yeah, so I will show you guys the pour over set and how you can enter the giveaway at the end of the video. But for now, I'm going to show you guys how to make a ginger turmeric latte. The coffee in this video is optional. I wanted to give a couple options for people who can't drink caffeine, or who, you know, they drink caffeine but they like to drink other forms of beverages too. Like, I don't know why I can't form these sentences together in my head, but basically a ginger turmeric latte. It's healthy for you. Ginger and turmeric together are just, they work wonders. This is very good for your skin. Very good for your body. I can list some things it's good for if you're interested. If you're not, it's okay. I myself am going to be adding espresso shots into my ginger turmeric latte because I like caffeine and I like the coffee flavor. I like them together. They mesh very well. So if you've ever had a turmeric latte and you've like been wondering, I wonder if it'd be good with coffee, give it a try, see if you like it. I think it tastes good, so I'm gonna include that in today's video. But yeah, you can make this drink hot or iced. We all know what I'm gonna do. Iced, right? Because I just like iced drinks. It's my forte. It could be blizzarding. Blizzarding? Is that a word? Blizzard? I made coffee and shit, you know, like we were working with a high school education right here. My point. It could be freezing outside, like it could be raining, it could be snowing, and I will still drink an iced coffee or an iced latte. Like, I am that bitch. I am talking a lot, which I tend to do in these videos. I'm just eager to talk to you guys. More like to talk at you guys because you're not responding to me right this second. But you can, right? You can respond. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. I keep looking at my viewfinder because it's like keeps trying to focus on my plants behind me and it's kind of getting on my nerves. Like, cut your shit out. Without further ado, I can't speak today. Without further ado, we are going to get into making this ginger turmeric latte. If you don't have ginger, that's okay. You can totally just do a turmeric latte. I don't know why I can't enunciate my words today. Did you see that? I like struggled saying turmeric. That's kind of an issue. What you're going to be needing to make this drink is you're going to need ground turmeric. You're going to need ground ginger. If you don't have ground ginger, you can use fresh ginger. If you don't like ginger, don't use ginger at all. It's completely fine. You don't have to, okay? And then a sweetener of choice. I'm going to use maple syrup as I usually do. You can use honey, cane sugar, like Splenda, stevia. There's so many options. Whatever your sweetener of choice is, okay? And then you're going to need a milk of choice. I'm going to be using oat milk today. You can use oat, almond, soy, flaxseed, cow. There's probably like milk from anything you can think of at this point. So whatever floats your boat, feel free to use that kind of milk. And then that's pretty much it. Am I talking too much? I'm sorry. But anyways, that's what you're going to need. Turmeric, ginger, by choice. If you want to add coffee, totally do that. I'm going to add... Let's just get into it. I'm going to be adding coffee, okay? Okay, so in this mason jar situation, I have about a half of a teaspoon of turmeric and about a quarter teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger, and I just mix them together in there. You can add more or less depending on like how strong of a flavor you want. I just want it to be there. I want there to be notes of it, but I don't want it to be overpowering. So that's where we're gonna start. And then you're going to add some hot water into this so that way it mixes together well, because I think that with milk it might get a little chunky. You need something like, it's like matcha, you want to mix hot water with it so the powder incorporates well when you mix in the milk. So I'm going to add some hot water to this and I will be right back. You're going to add about 1.5 ounces of water, which equals probably, I think, about 2 tablespoons of water. Don't quote me on that, I could totally be wrong, but that's my guess. And I'm just going to mix it together. You can totally use an electric whisk, or what's it called, like an electric hand mixer, but this is just to show you totally don't need to. You can just mix. I'm literally using a chopstick to mix it because you work with what you have. Obviously I have spoons, but this was closest and it was the most convenient to me, so we're going to use this. And this is like pretty powdery, so I would be generous with your mixing time. You know, give it some opportunity to mix in there, because you don't want to be drinking like just chunks of turmeric or ginger. Like, it's not going to be very tasty, and it's not going to be, the texture is going to be off. You know what I'm saying? Now get your sweetener of choice. Like I said, I'm going to grab maple syrup. I'm going to be using the Kirkland maple syrup, as I always do. It's organic and it's really good quality maple syrup in my opinion. Just do like a couple dashes. Probably 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon of maple syrup, or however, whatever sweetener you're using, like 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon, just based on how sweet you want it. I want mine to be a little sweet. So we can always taste it at the end. Always add less because you can add more, but you can't take anything out. So don't be too heavy-handed. You can always add more sweetener at the end, but we're just gonna start with this basic measurement and go from there. Okay. Get that nice and mixy mixed, honey. Now I'm going to get a cup of ice with milk, and I'm also going to pull my espresso shot. So we will be back momentarily with all of that. Do you guys want to see me pull my espresso shot? I think you do. I'm gonna bring you over to my bubble machine. Okay, so the angle is gonna be kind of weird because I need to be able to like get in here, but here's my machine. Like I said, the coffee is totally optional. I have my little scale because I don't know if anybody watched my last video, but in my last video I was like, this thing's kind of hard to use. You literally have to like know what you're doing. So I'm gonna tear it. Sorry, the scale's a little dirty, but that's okay. Tear it at 0, and then we're gonna get to about 17 grams. And this is how the espresso comes out for anybody that is curious about the machine. My broken nail is having a show right there, but it makes pretty good crema, as you can see. And the oat milk I've been using is this one by Minor Figures. I just tried it out and it's pretty good. It has good ingredients and it's organic, so I think it tastes pretty good. If you guys have any like brand suggestions as for like what kind of like oat milk and stuff like that to try, let me know down below. I'm always open to trying out new brands. Alright, second thing is to add the turmeric. The espresso. If it'll fit. Clearly not all of it fits, but. But tell me that doesn't look good. Okay. That's delicious. I don't know why, but it almost tastes like pumpkin to me. Whoa, hold on. Oh yeah. Hold on. Hold on. That's hella good. Okay, if you have coffee, try it with coffee. Try it with coffee. Like I said, you don't have to try it with coffee, but I need to back this ring light up. Like I said, you don't have to try it with coffee, but if you have coffee, if that's an option, try it with coffee. Whoa. That's so good. Wow. Wow. It's so balanced. And I think that tablespoon to tablespoon and a half of syrup is like the perfect amount. This is good. Or half a tablespoon to a tablespoon of syrup is the perfect amount. This is really good. Wow. Not even lying to you right now, that's so good. What you all been waiting for. Well, I mean, at least I think you've all been waiting for, is the giveaway. Let me fix my situation, get it out here so you guys can take a look at it and tell you how to enter. Thank you guys for helping me get this far. I'm so excited that I have 1,000 subscribers. It's pretty nuts to me. I know to a lot of people it's not a lot, but to me it is a lot, and I appreciate your support and any comments that you guys leave and just like showing love. Like, I truly appreciate it so much, and I'm so excited that you guys are interested in seeing what I have to say and like my videos. So this is what you guys could win. It's a pour over set, and for coffee obviously. And the top you put like a coffee filter right here. Sorry, there's plastic and stuff because it's new and I don't want to mess with it and like risk breaking it. But you put a paper filter right here, grounds, and then you put your cup here, and it just drips down and it looks so beautiful. The way that you guys can go about winning this is I'm gonna need you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then comment down below a video idea that you guys want to see in the future, whether it be like coffee related, not coffee related. And I'm gonna also need you to comment your Instagram handle, like your username for Instagram, so that way I can message you guys if you win and we can get the details sorted out about where to send this to. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. I'm so grateful to be here. I'm so grateful to be at 1,000 subscribers. It's pretty nuts to me, and I'm really grateful for you guys, and I appreciate your support and your love so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and good luck to everybody that enters. I will be checking to make sure that you're doing everything that I listed, so don't try and be shady about it. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope that you have a good day, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you are, and stay safe. And yeah, good luck everybody, and thank you guys so much for showing me all the love that you have and the support that you have. And yeah.